Have you noticed something missing from most faceless YouTube channels? The videos look good, but they all feel the same. A static AI image slowly zooming in, zooming out, over and over. It works, but after a while, viewers get used to it. Their eyes glaze over. And on platforms where the first 2 seconds decide whether someone keeps watching, that's a problem. Well, Vexub just fixed that. They have added a brand new feature called video style. Until now, when you created a video on Vexub, you only had one visual option. AI generated images with that classic zoom in, zoom out slide effect. It's called image style, and it's still there if you like that look, but now right next to it there is a second option, video style. With video style, instead of still images spanning across your screen, your entire video is built from real moving footage, not slides pretending to be dynamic, actual video clips cut and sync to your script. And here's the part creators are going to love. You are not stuck with one look. Vexub lets you choose from different footage styles depending on the mood of your content, like stock footage of human videos, AI cinematic, anime movie, 3D animation, documentaries, stop motion, vintage film, horror cinematic, action movie, etc. Let's say you have running a horror storytelling channel, one of the fastest growing niche on YouTube and TikTok right now. Before you would narrate a chilling story over a still AI image of a foggy forest slowly zoomed in, now you can select the horror video style, and instead your viewers see actual moving footage, flickering lights, shifting shadows, unsettling movement, matched to every line of your script. That difference alone can be what makes someone stop scrolling. Let's go into the Vexub dashboard and show you exactly how it works. Click create a video, choose text to video and go to step 2 like normal. Continue through the same steps as usual. Choose the format, pick your narrator or your cloned voice, generate or paste your script, and now here's where it's different. Right where you would normally only see image style, you will now see two tabs, image style and video style. Click on video style, you will see the footage categories appear: stock footage of human videos, AI cinematic, anime movie, 3D animation, documentary, stop motion, vintage film, horror cinematic, action movie, etc. For the example, since we are building a horror story, let's select horror, and then when you hit start generation, Vexub will build your entire video using AI footage clips that match the horror style you pick, synced to your narration and subtitles automatically. Once it's done, preview it.
Someone has been living in my attic. Picture this: a cozy home, a family living their best life, unaware of a secret lurking above. Every night they hear strange noises, scratches, whispers, and thuds. A mystery unfolds.
You'll immediately notice the difference. It doesn't feel like a slideshow anymore. It feels like an actual produced video. This feature is used for a few reasons. First, it instantly makes your content look more premium without you touching an editing timeline. Second, it lets you match the visual tone to your niche. Horror content actually looks horror. Cinematic content actually looks cinematic. And third, on platforms like TikTok and Shorts, motion catches the eye far better than a still image ever will, which can directly help your retention and watch time. So whether you are running a horror channel, a cinematic history channel, or a tech and AI news channel, the new video style feature gives you visuals that finally match your content. No stock footage hunting, no editing software required. Go try it out on your next video, switch from image style to video style and see the differences for yourself. And if this helps you, hit the like button, drop a comment letting us know which video style you are most excited to try, and subscribe to grow with Vexub. We'll keep showing you every new features as it drops. I'll catch you in the next video.